Good nutrition sa bata. So, kinahanglan i-address. Before reading, kailangan busog. So, Bida Basa, another component is Bida Basa, meaning that our schools are making initiatives on reading assessments, reading initiatives, reading intervention, and reading enhancement. So another component is Bidahag. So we believe that learning starts at home. So we need the parents to educate our child first. 50% of our learners' character came and behavior, our parents' inheritance, genetics. So very important ang Bidahag, parents assistance, be the body. It is not, it is a component, be the body. Component siya na kailangan may friends tayo, not necessarily classmate. Most importantly, yung peer body natin. Like silingan, like classmate, schoolmate, bro, body. This sometimes can help us grow intellectually, no, through reading and mga unmos ilalam sa mangga, tungtong sa, di ba? So mga sasapa, so body, so bida. Bida kasama, another component very important. This is our partnership program. Lahat-lahat na. May mag-donate og TV para sa reading center, may mag-donate og books, Rotary clubs, mag-donate og mga reading materials, uban pa, or electric fan, or para conducive ang ato ang reading centers and all. Everything that goes beyond not just food and etc. But these partners are very important. We need the village to educate the child. Another is Bida Guro. These are teachers. So we have to enhance them. We have to capacitate our teachers. No, CAPD is very important for our teachers. Knowledge management is very important. And another is Bida Galing. So at the end of everything, we have to recognize the spot of the performer teachers, performer learners, especially the impact of everything. So anong improvement kung meron ba, what needs to address more, at saka this Bida Galing is very important to give recognition to those who exerted effort for the accomplishment of this Bida Basa program.
Sir, before ning Binabasa was launched, sir, how is the literacy rate ng ating mga learners sa Davao Occidental?
We're not on the top. We are not also at the bottom of the bottom. But though we are not doing this for the condition of the rank, but we are doing this for the benefit of our learners. Our goal is to combat and to increase and to alleviate the performance of the learners from years performance and compared to today's performance.
Sir, pa-clarify lang po, ang participants ani na program is tanang
Tanan.
learners or not selected lang na?
Tanan kay no child should be left behind for this. Flexible lang ato ang Bida Basa, cater nato tong mga non-readers. Ano po to'y program sa mga independent learners na. So flexible siya, di lang kay sa katong mga challenge and struggling learners.
Sir, how's the reception of this program, sir, sa mga
Schools.
especially sa schools, students and parents?
Very clear ang ato ang directive sa kanila, and as of now they are performing. Though not all the components are being given to the learners kasi nga limited ang ating resources, but at least 4 out of 8 components or 5 out of it. 95% may mga supplementary feeding program aside from the government's giving food to our kids. We also have Bida Kasama. So through Adapt a School program, may mga nagbibigay ng mga tulong sa ating mga estudyante, especially sa nangyaring June 18 earthquake, no? So yun. So very clear ang sa ating participation, implementation sa different schools ng ating.
Sir, clarify na po, kung saan grade level ang you participate ani? From elementary to or up to high school?
Atanan, from K to 12. Oo, kasi address mo na ito siya. Kaya ang reading is not just for kinder only, for grade 1 only, but also for senior high. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, flexible. We also have program for intervention, and we also have program for enhancement. Yung mga marunong na magbasa, we have this Be the Lovers pala ang isang component. So ang isang school ay magkakaroon ng Wednesday Fever, where the learners are being grouped together and they read together home reading report like that. So this is not only for the non-readers and struggling learners, but also for the independent learners already.
Do we need additional teachers for this, sir?
Very good question. Though we have this Republic Act for Oral program, that we need external tutors, but fortunately this time wala pa munang mga external tutors because of the budget constraint. So what we are doing now, teachers also serve as tutors muna for the meantime, and there are also volunteer tutor teachers outside tutors.
So, wala may volunteers? Volunteers?
Na yung mga volunteer, pero clarify pa nato sa ito ang system that na naman po yung guidelines actually. We have guidelines actually for oral tutors as external tutors sana. So, kaya lang, wala pa na muna ngayon. So sa ngayon may mga volunteer tayo na mga tutors for our learners.
Sir, how do we ensure na dili yung mga disrupt sa mga classroom?
Very good question. We have 30 minutes daily na embedded on the classroom program, meaning the 7 to 4 classroom interaction teaching. We have programs on that. 30 minutes, i-embed na siya sa oral reading. Most of the schools embedded it from 11:30 to 12, which is outside of the regular class sessions. And then oral math, also 30 minutes before 1 to 1:30, or most of them for 3:30 to 4 in the afternoon.
Last question na from my end, sir. Since it's implementation, may parameters na to para ma-measure ang
Of course, ang impact sa ating implementation is the reading performance of the learners. Davao Occidental is very grateful for our result. We compared our performance last year, and we increased significantly significant percentage increase compared last year. So that's our
sir.
that's 48%.
48%.
Yeah, 48% increase. So from the beginning, comparing the result of the beginning of school year data to the middle of school year performance and to the end of school year performance. So especially our K to 3 learners, we significantly increase and estimate of like 40+% increase from our learners. And another parameter is the proficiency level of the learners. Yung mga number of 75% average of the performance in the subject areas increases also as the reading performance increases.